Good morning, students. I am Anupam Sharma, and today I will explain you computer chapter number 3, Introduction to Advanced Microsoft 365. The remaining part of that chapter number 3. In the first video, I provide you introduction of the features, and in the second video, I provide you about the Photoshop and how to saving a file. And right now, I will describe you how to open existing image. Opening an existing image. Opening an existing image. So how to open an image? Which image to save for a purpose? So first of all, click on the file. Click on file. Click on file. Click on file. Open. The open dialog box open. Select the location. Second, select the location. Select the location from where you want to open an image by clicking on the drop down arrow in login text box. And third is select the required picture and click on the open button. Select the required picture. Select required picture. Then click on. And then click on open button. Click on open button. And after this step, your image will open. The image will open and go over on the image. So last video save and this video open. So many times you use the save and open option in the MS Word, MS Excel. So is it too much step? Not a different. Maybe different. No. A big deal. Next, selection tools. So main thing is, so listen carefully. Selection. How to select tools. Main things. Selection tools are the used to select, cut, copy or edit image or any part of the image. The various selection tools in the Photoshop are margin tool. Okay, and second, lasso tool. Third is, yes, my friend. Third is polygonal lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool. And for these, first is marquee tool, lasso tool, second and third is polygon lasso tool, and for these magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool. And next is magic band. Magic band tool. And is a 5 and 6 is crop. Crop tool. And 7 is move tool. And 8 is selection. Quick selection. Quick selection. Quick. Selection. So is a 8 tool. Selection tools, marquee tool, lasso tool, polygon tool, magnetic tools, lasso tools, magic band tool, crop tool, move tool, and quick selection tools. So, my dear teacher, first of all, we will start with the marquee tool. Okay, or will it is only to the mark. Marquee tool. Marquee tool is used to select the image, the part of it rectangular, elliptical, circular shape. To use marquee selection tool, selection and choose the marquee tool in the tool panel. Just press. Marquee is a simple marquee tool. From the tool panel, click the drag on the mouse, pictures, select. Suppose that we have to take one picture. Give a person. Okay, so when you click in this area, marquee tool with such pattern. You have to drag and automatically this picture selected by the marquee tool. This picture selected by the marquee tool. Okay, take a back picture. Right, going on. Mama, make a plate to bread. One half bread of bird. Mama says 3, student says 6. Mama says okay. Everybody is good. Teacher says 3, 6. Next teacher says 3, 6. Next 3, 6. Next teacher says 3, 6. And make a pattern. Okay, so in this on this marquee tool, apply this marquee tool. Okay, we will select the area of marquee tool. Then marquee tool select rectangle. Okay, so marquee tool select the rectangle and select the area and can cut, copy, or delete the selected part. Okay, if you want to select the area, marquee can select this. Can only select the head piece, but in the sphere or rectangular shape, sphere or rectangular shape, or circle shape. Next, lasso tool. I will give you example of the help of this picture. By this I erase the last spots. Second number is the lasso tools. Lasso tool. And you can see on the page number 30 and 31 marker tool on the lasso tool, polygon tool, polygon lasso tools, and the metric lasso tools. So there were some other picture. This is other picture. Lasso tool. Lasso tool is to select the part of the irregular shape. Part of the irregular shape. To use lasso tool. Okay, irregular shape means we can see nose is a irregular shape, not a particular circular and square. So we will select the nose of this cartoon. We can say teddy. So open an image. After opening image, click on the lasso tool. Click on the lasso tool. Lasso tool is lasso is a symbol of the lasso tool. So click on the lasso tool and go to the picture and select the area by the help of the mouse. Click on the lasso tool, drop down menu button, select the lasso tool, click on any part of the image, drag the mouse, select the required part of the image, release the mouse and release the mouse and by this help you can select the picture part and select the whole picture and you can edit and do other work. So next is the polygonal lasso tool. Next is the polygonal lasso tool. Okay. Polygonal lasso tool. So symbol of polygon lasso tool is the symbol of polygonal lasso tool. Yes, that's perfect. Polygon symbol of the polygon lasso tool. It is used to select any part of image having the straight line. Suppose that you want to select this nose again by the help of polygon lasso tool. To that time you have to select straight line, not the round shape, the straight line. And same, open an image, click on the lasso tool, drop down menu, let's select the polygon lasso tools. First select the lasso tool and select the polygon lasso tools. Click on any part of the image, click on any part of the image and select the area by the help of polygon lasso tools. Drag the mouse over the part and you will see a line. Follow your polygon lasso. Click again to draw the first and between the two mouse click. Move the mouse pointer on the part to be selected the another line. Indicate the selection. Continue the process till you reach the starting point. And now is the polygon lasso. Next I will start magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool. So first of all, you take this cartridge selection portion. Magnetic. First is marker tool, second lasso tool, polygon tool, and this is the fourth magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool. So, by the help of the magnetic tool, screen problem. Magnetic lasso tools is used to select the part of the image along outline boundaries to image curved line. Image the curved line. Open an image to the curved line. Curved line. First, the curved line. Open an image. Click on the lasso tool drop down button. In the select lasso tool, this image is open. Click on any part of the image to be selected. Drag the mouse over the object to select it. You will see the dashboard along with the edges. Double click to the ending. Suppose you start this image, this image, and you click the ending one in the double click. Double click as a purpose. Next, magic band tool. Magic band tool. Magic band. Oh shit. Oh no. Magic band tool. Magic band tool. Sign of magic band tool. Magic band tool, you select the adjacent part of the image as or the same color to use the magic band at the given step. As a given step, select the magic band tool, pointer change into the symbol, click any part of the image, you will see the having the same color the selected. This is the image, is the some other image, so select the adjacent part of the image. Tolerance, anti-alias, and the continuous steps of the point in these images. Select the magic band tool option. Tool display the following option. Tolerance. It represents the range of the select pixels. Higher the tolerance, more will be the range of pixels. Anti-alias is used to range of the select pixel. Higher will be the range of pixels. Anti-alias. It is used to smoothen the irregular edge of selection. Continuous. If you deselect the option, the pixel which within some tolerance range will be selected. Next, crop tool. Next, the crop tool. You know very well the help of the mobile, so you use this option many times. I'm not saying you use in the Photoshop, but crop option used many times with your mobile. So the same, open image, click on the crop tools, toolbox, move the mouse pointer over the part of the image you want to select. Release the mouse button if you are satisfied with the selection. Crop the this area. Crop and cut and create the other space. Next, the move. Next is the move. After what is the information about the crop, we must everybody knows about the crop together. Move tool. Move tool is used to drag the selection part of the image and the location. Move tools. Symbol of move. Select the part of image to be moved. First of all, select the part of image to the move. Suppose there is a person. Cut the head of this person and join. If you want to join the paddy's head, that person. It will cut from this area and join the paddy. So it's the move the image by the help of the move tool. So select the part of the image to be moved. Select move tools, the mouse pointer change to be assigned to the move tool, press the left mouse button and drag the selected part of the image to the location where you want to see. The image will be moved in a new location. So is an image of that particular teddy's mouth go to the different other person's head. So this is an example of the how to move the image. Next, the quick selection tool. Quick selection tool. Quick. Quick selection tool. This tool is used for the quick selection of an image which requires great precision to reach. Click the quick selection tool and drag the mouse to make the required selection. As you drag the mouse selection reach outward the follow the defined edge in the image. And this image you can see on the page number 33, figure 3.23 selection, quick selection tool. The brush and selection. Well, have to become the selection of the tools. And all figure on the page numbers and just type figure 3.19, 3.21, 3.22, 3.23. So is there so many tools or all tools too much good for use and you will definitely be taking interest. Okay my dear student, chapter has finished and now want to say about multiple questions and MCQs. Multiple choice. So first question is that you can open your book and on the page number 34 MCQs. So first question is that which tool is used to select adjacent part of an image? Which tool is used to select I will see you book. That way. So first MCQ is that which tools you use to select adjacent part of an image. So option is A. Crop, B. Magic Band tool, and C. Marquee tool. So B is the right answer, the Magic Band tool. And next, which is latest version of the Photoshop? So here is the latest version. A. CS3, B. CS5, and C. CS6. So C is the correct option. And third is, which shortcut key used to use Magic Band tool? A. W, B. X, and C. Y. Shortcut key is W. Which tool is used to drag a part of an image to another location? A. Move, B. Crop, C. Lasso. So right option is the move. Drag a part of another location. Move tool. Another location. Cut the part here and move to other location. Select the part of the image called cropping marquee, cropping mask, cropping vision. Is the A. Cropping marquee. So MCQs are here completed, and now fill-ups. So first is the first version of the Photoshop software was named as fill-ups display program. Display program. You can write there. Photoshop is as fill-up images, that bitmap images. And third is images are made up of pixels. Fourth is the shortcut keys to use crop tool is C. Again, the shortcut key to use crop tool is C. And fourth is the Photoshop files are saved with .psd extension. PSD. .psd extension. And 6, the Photoshop tools is present in left side of its window. So left portion is the blank space. The Photoshop tools panel is present in the left. You will write left in the blank space, left side. And next, state whether true or false. So first is, there are 3 types of lasso tools. True. Second, Adobe Photoshop was launched in 1987. True. First true and the second true. And third, you cannot crop an image in Photoshop. You can do. So this option will false. The latest version of Photoshop is CS6. Is that true? It's also mentioned in the MCQs. MCQ number 2nd. So is a repetition of in the true or false. Thomas Knoll developed Photoshop. Definitely true. 100% true. So next, the matching. A bitmap image consists of pixels. Bitmap image consists of pixels. Next, in CMYK color mode, K stands for black. K stands for black. The default view of Photoshop is essentials. The tool used to select any part of image having straight line. Number 4, polygonal lasso tool is described as the polygonal lasso tools. Polygonal lasso tool. Yes, straight line. Straight in the polygonal lasso tools. Next, the select part of the image within your selection is known as cropping marquee. The select part of the image with your selection is known as the cropping marquee. So my dear student, along with this description chapter, you have finished your MCQs, your fill-ups, your true or false, and your matching. And after some time, we will send you questions, answers, PDF files. Okay. So your third chapter has complete. Okay, my dear. Without taking tension, enjoy. But not 100% enjoy. Along with the study is the essential part of your career. Okay, because your mama make food for your fill up your stomach, and same your teacher make study and make food just like a food. Books, notebooks just like a food. So you have to fill your mind with the help of books. Okay, so what is the divide the two part, head and the lower part. So lower part, the stomach, full by the food, and this part, mind part, full by the help of books. Okay, my dear student, bye bye, enjoy.